Welcome back, everybody. Pedro here with another video. Just want to thank you guys so much for all the support I've received on my channel.
You got it, dude.
And also want to welcome you guys if you're new. My name is Pedro and I do Forex trading. Consider subscribing and hit that like button as well. I appreciate all the support. In this video, we're going to be going a little bit more in depth in terms of figuring out what the best strategy as a trader for you is and how you can maximize your profits. So make sure you watch to the very end. And with that being said, guys, let's get started with this video. Alright guys, so we're going to begin just explaining everything as a whole. So when you're new at trading, there's different types of strategies in terms of how you're going to trade the market, how you're going to dabble in, how you're going to do it. So there's something called scalper, which is the very shortest term. So you're in and out of the market very, very quickly. So get out of the markets, take your profits, do your analysis and out, right? And then there's another thing where it's all the way the total opposite, where you're basically a position trader, right? Position trader is much more different. These people analyze, so they're much more long-term. It could be something that they're looking at for a couple of weeks. They can be holding a trade for a couple of weeks. They could be saying, hey, you know what? I think that gold is going to be going up in value. Technically, right now, I see that the charts are indicating this, this, and this, and it's indicating a bullish sentiment, right? It could be technically, right? So you're looking at the actual physical charts and you're looking, oh, okay, this is what the charts are telling me right now. But it can also be fundamentally. So what I mean by fundamentally is news, right? So if you're keeping up with news, you're looking at it at a, let's say, a daily basis, or you're keeping up with it as much as you can, then obviously as a position trader, a long-term trader, you're able to maximize profits because you see the potential outcome in the future, right? So that is more of a position trader, which is the total opposite of a scalper, which is a scalper in and out, get your profits within 1 minute charts to 5 minute charts analysis, right? So they analyze the charts on these 5 minute time frames or 1 minute time frames for those of you that are new. And then there's also day traders, which is basically what I do. Day traders, you can basically get in a trade. It could be in a 15-minute chart time frame, or it could be in a 1 hour chart time frame, right? And it could take, and even if you're doing your analysis on the 1 hour time frame, the trade could, let's say I wake up at 5 in the morning, which I usually do 5, 6 in the morning before New York open, and basically I start analyzing the markets, right? I start checking what the charts are saying. You know, I start doing my whole analysis, right? My morning routine. And so let's say I hop on a trade and I believe gold's gonna go up, right? So I place a buy, and so essentially this trade, because I am a day trader and I focus mainly on between the 4 hour to know the direction of the market, the 1 hour just to get a good idea of how, like a closer in-depth look of the charts and basically the overall market sentiment a little bit more in depth, and then the 15-minute just to snipe in and get my entry, right? So get into the market, get in, put everything out, right? And then basically go from there. Now guys, I want you to understand something very closely. When you are analyzing the market, especially on a day trader, right? There's two things that could happen. Either the trade goes well within a couple of minutes, could be within an hour, and boom, you take your profits and done, or it could take a couple hours, and that's usually a day trader, right? So day traders, it could be a couple minutes, you know what I mean? It could be a half an hour, it could be a total couple hours, right? It could be half the day, right? So those are the differences. I did want to go over with you guys what those differences were. So yeah, so obviously there's a lot more, and I've got my notes here, but there's the scalper. So you get in and out of the markets quick. You're not gonna, as a scalper trader, you're not going to look at the 4 hour chart. I mean, you could, just to get a good idea of what the overall direction of the market is. If you're, for example, trading Bitcoin, if you're trading, Ethereum, or if you're trading, for example, gold or silver, whatever it is, right? Basically, it doesn't matter what you're trading. It's just basically how the strategy is, right? What is your strategy as a trader? And that's something that you have to figure out over time. And the only way you'll really figure it out is basically, studying the markets and understanding, what's the best way for you to look at the markets, right? And what's more successful for you in trading. So it took me a while. I started in scalping. I thought scalping would have been something for me, but the thing is with scalping, you really have to be paying attention to the charts. You really have to be there in the moment. No distractions, nothing like that. With day trading, it's a little bit more like, okay, let me do my analysis. Let me figure out a few things. Let me see what the charts are telling me. And again, guys, disclaimer here, by the way, remember, trading trading is nothing guaranteed, right? As a trader or someone that's looking to, get starting into basically trading in the markets, right? Regardless of what market it is, right? It could be cryptocurrency. Markets are markets, right? So it doesn't matter if it's cryptocurrency, if it's the foreign exchange market, if it's stock market, all works the same way fundamentally and technically. As technical analysis, we've gone over this in other videos, but make sure you subscribe as well, guys. I'll mention that right now that, for those of you that are new, I'm not telling you that, I know it all and everything like that. I'm just basically sharing my journey with you guys. And why I started this channel, right? I wanted to start this channel so I could show you guys, the ups and downs of being a trader, basically, right? And so, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the community, guys. Always appreciate you guys, appreciate all the support. But yeah, just wanted to go over those basics with you guys and the differences of a scalp trader, day trader, and position trader. Those are the main different types of traders that are out there. And so here in my notes I've got it. So just so you guys understand, scalp trader, in and out of the markets, quick. You've got day trader, which is what I do. So you get in within the market. It could be within half an hour to a couple hours, and that's within the same day. Then you have swing trader, that could be a couple of weeks, and then position traders, like we're talking months, right? So those are the main differences. Yeah, I hope you guys found this video informative, very, very quick, but I just wanted to show you guys the different strategies as a trader and basically go over this with you guys. If you guys have any video ideas or any video that you want me to do, please let me know in the comments below. I do read your comments, guys, and I appreciate all the support. So make sure that you subscribe and share this video if you found it informative as well. Share it to your friends or anyone that you think might help. This video might help them. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much, and I'll catch you until next time. Bye for now.